So dear students, in today's lecture, we will start actual what is successive differentiation, right? What is the meaning of successive derivative and simple examples on it. Is that clear? So let us see. Before going to start the lecture, if you are not subscribed to YouTube channel, Maths League and Counseling Center, please subscribe it so that you will get the notification time to time. Is that clear? So can we start? So successive differentiation. Okay. So what is the meaning of successive? What is the meaning of successive? Successive means what? Successive differentiation. You know, differentiation. Y is equal to f of x. Differentiation means what? Derivative of y is equal to derivative of f of x. That is f dash of x. Is that clear? But successive means what? So once we differentiate, again it is to be differentiated, means successively repeating a process. Is that clear? So let us see definition. If f of x is a differentiable function of x, then f dash of x is called first derivative of f of x. We can say that d dx of f of x is equal to f dash of x. That is a first derivative. First derivative. Is that clear? Then you see f double dash. Now you know that f dash of x is also a function of x, and hence it is again differentiable with respect to x. Is that clear? And therefore that is d dx of f dash of x is equal to f double dash of x. Is that clear? So this is also called as d dx of f of x. This is the value of f dash of x, and that is equal to d2 by dx2 of f of x, and that is equal to f double dash of x. Is that clear? So that is a f double dash of x is called further derivative of f dash of x, and that is a second derivative. Second derivative of f of x. Similarly, third derivative of f of x would be f triple dash of x. Right? Similarly, third derivative. And in general, fn of x is what? Nth derivative of f of x. Nth derivative of f of x. So, what we learn here? Dekho, the given function is f of x. First derivative f dash of x. बराबर है. second derivative f double dash of x. Third derivative f triple dash of x. Fourth derivative f4 of x, right? Fifth derivative f5 of x, and hence nth derivative is what? fn of x. Is that clear? So did you understand? Okay. So f dash of x, double dash of x, fn of x are the successive derivatives of f of x. So do you understand the concept of successive derivative? Is that clear? So let us see different notations of successive derivative. Okay. So let us start. Y is equal to f of x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So we get d dx of y is equal to d dx of f of x. This can be written as d of y is equal to f dash of x, and that is equal to y1. Is that clear? So you understand here? So that is y is equal to f of x. Now y1 is equal to f dash of x. again differentiating both sides with respect to x, so you will get d dx of y1, that is equal to d dx of f dash of x. Okay, so this implies that d of dy, y1 is d of, okay, and that is equal to f double dash of x. Okay, and so it is equal to d2 of y is equal to f double dash of x. Is that clear? Similarly, now let us see. Understand? So similarly, y2 is equal to, we have seen f double dash of x. Now again differentiating this with respect to x, we will get d dx of y2 is equal to d dx of f double dash of x. Okay, and that is equal to y3 equal to f triple dash of x. Is that clear? That is d3 of y is equal to f triple dash of x. So in general, what we are, so what we learn, y is equal to f of x, then y1 is equal to f dash of x is equal to d of y. Is that clear? And this is also equal to d of f of x. Similarly, y2 is what? F double dash of x, second derivative, that is d2 of y, and that is equal to d2 of f of x. Then y3 is equal to what? Third derivative, f triple dash of x, and that is equal to d3 of y, and this is equal to d3 of f of x. Is that clear? Then y4 is equal to f4 of x, and that is equal to d4 of y, and this is equal to d4 of f of x. Is that clear? And so dyn is equal to what? F n of x, and this is equal to dn of y, and that is equal to dn of f of x. So look at here. Now here we can write d square y can be a d of dy, right? Similarly, d cube y can be just d of d square y or d square of dy. Okay, means what? The first derivative of second derivative of y or second derivative of first derivative of y. Okay, similarly we can write here d4 of y is equal to d3 of dy or d of d3y or d2 of d2y. Is that clear? So we can write likewise, and hence dn of y can be as d of dn minus 1 of y, or it is equal to dn minus 1 of dy, or it can be as dn minus 2 of d2y. Is that clear? So in this way we can break up the nth derivatives. So did you understand this? Okay, d4 is what? Now where d is what? D by dx. D square is what? D square by dx2. Is that clear? So d cube is what? D cube is what? D3 by dx3. Is that clear? So likewise, these are the different notations of successive differentiation. Now let us see some basic examples here. Before going to start the standard formulae on successive differentiation, let us try to solve some basic examples. So पहला example है y is equal to, if y is equal to 2x plus 5 raised to the power 6, then find y1 first derivative, y2 second derivative, y3 third derivative, y4 fourth derivative, y5 fifth derivative, y6 sixth derivative, y7 seventh derivative. Is that clear? So let us see. So what is given? Y is equal to 2x plus 5 raised to the power 6. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So the derivative of y is y1, right? And it is equal to, now you know that x to the power n का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? f of x to the power n, that is n into f of x to the power n minus 1 into f dash of x, 2x plus 5 का डेरिवेटिव कितना होगा? 2. Okay, and so it is 12 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 5. Okay, again differentiating. Similarly, y2. Y2 is what? D of y1. So it is equal to 12 into 5 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 4 into 2. And that is equal to 12 into 5, 60 into 2, 120 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 4. बराबर है? y3 now, next, that is d of d2y, second derivative, or d of y2, that is d of y2. Okay, and it is equal to what? 120, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, into 4 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 3 into 2. So it is equal to 120 into 4, that is 480 into 2, 960 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 3. Then y4 is what? D of y3. Okay, is that clear? So that is d of y3, that is this is y3. तो कितना आएगा? 960 into 3 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 2 into 2. So it is equal to, कितना आएगा ये? 3, this 3 into 2, 6. 6 into this, 0. 6 6 is 36. 3 carry. 6 9 is 54 plus 3, that is 57 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 2. Is that clear? Then y5 is what? D of y4. Is that clear? And that is equal to d of y4 means this. कितना आएगा? 5760 into 2 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 1 into derivative of 2x plus 5. So it is finally 2 into 2, 4. तो कितना होगा ये? 0, 4 6 is 24, 2 carry, 4 7 is 28, plus 2 30, 3 carry, 4 5 is 20, that is 23 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 1. Then y6 is equal to how much? D of y5. बराबर है? And that is equal to, now इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 23040 into 1 into 2x plus 5 raised to the power 1 minus 1, 0 into 2. Now any a to the power 0 is equal to 1, so this value is also 1. So final answer is what? 46080. This is constant number, and so y7 is equal to d of y6, that is d of constant. Okay, and that is equal to derivative of constant is always 0. So did you understand here? So this is the derivative. Then next, if y is equal to sine of 5x plus 2, find y1, first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative, fifth derivative, sixth derivative, and seventh derivative. Okay, so let us see. Given y is equal to sine of 5x plus 2. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So पहला y1 is equal to, बराबर है, साइन का डेरिवेटिव होगा cos of 5x plus 2 into 5, that is 5 cos of 5x plus 2. Then second, y2 is a d of y1. Okay, and that is minus 5 into sine of 5x plus 2 into 5, and that is equal to minus 5 square sine of 5x plus 2. Is that clear? Because derivative of cos is minus, so here minus sign is there. Then third one, y3, that is d of y2. Is that clear? So d of y2 here minus 5 square, derivative of sine is cos of 5x plus 2 into 5, that is minus 5 cube into cos of 5x plus 2. Okay, then 4, y4, that is d of y3. Is that clear? D of y3 minus 5 cube into derivative of cos is minus, so that is minus sine of 5x plus 2. Is that clear? Into 5, and so minus minus, this minus and this minus will be plus, so you will get 5 to the power 4 sine of 5x plus 2. Is that clear? Then 5, y5, that is d of y4. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे आप तो कितना आएगा, इट इज 5 टू द पावर 4 साइन का रेडियो होगा कॉस, दैट इज 5x प्लस 2 इंटू 5. इज दैट क्लियर? 5 टू द पावर 5 इंटू कॉस ऑफ 5x प्लस 2. देन 6y6, दैट इज d ऑफ y5, दैट इज इक्वल टू, नाउ डिफरेंशिएट दिस, तो व्हाट इट इज 5 टू द पावर 5 इंटू कॉस का डेरिवेटिव होगा माइनस साइन ऑफ 5x प्लस 2 इंटू 5. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड सो इट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5 टू द पावर 6 इंटू साइन 5x प्लस 2. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड लास्टली 7y7 is equal to d of y6, and that is equal to d of y6 this, तो माइनस 5 to the power 6 साइन का रेडियो होगा cos 5x plus 2 into 5, and so it is equal to minus 5 to the power 7 into cos of 5x plus 2, and this is the answer. So did you understand how to find successive derivatives y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 and y7? These are simple calculations to find. Now in next lecture we will be solve this by standard formula. Is that clear? Now next, find f1 of x, f2 of x, f3 of x, f4 of x, f5 of x for this function. F of x is equal to e to the power x. Okay, so what is given? F of x is equal to e to the power 2x. Now first, is that clear? So f1 of x is what? D of f of x, that is d of e to the power 2x. D of e to the power 2x is 2 e to the power 2x. Is that clear? Then second, f2 of x is what? D of f1 of x, that is d of 2 e to the power 2x, that is 2 into 2 e to the power 2x, that is 4 e to the power 2x. Is that clear? Yeah, we can write is 2 square e to the power 2x. Third, then f3 of x is equal to d of f2 of x. Is that clear? That is d of 2 square e to the power 2x, that is 2 square into 2 e to the power 2x, that is 2 to the power 3 e to the power 2x. Third derivative हो गया. Then fourth derivative f4 of x, that is the d of f3 of x, and that is equal to d of f3 कितना है? 2 cube e to the power 2x, that is 2 cube is constant, e to the power 2x का derivative 2 e to the power 2x, and so it is 2 to the power 4 e to the power 2x. Then 5, f5 of x, is that clear? And that is equal to d of f4 of x, fourth derivative, and that is equal to d of 2 to the power 4 e to the power 2x, and so it is equal to, what you will get? 2 to the power 4 constant है, e to the power 2x का derivative 2 e to the power 2x, right? And that is equal to 2 to the power 5 into e to the power 2x. That is the final answer. Is that clear? So in this way we can find the successive derivative of exponential function. Then f1 of x, here also find f1 of x, f2, f3, f4, f5, from the function f of x is equal to a to the power 4x. Is that clear? So let us see what is given here. F of x is equal to a to the power 4x. So let us see f1 of x. f1 of x is d of f of x, that is d of a to the power 4x. So what is the formula for a to the power 4x? That is a to the power 4x into log a into 4. Is that clear? So that is equal to what? 4 a to the power 4x into log a. Then second, f2 of x. f2 of x is d of f1 of x, that is d of what you will have? 4 log a to the power 4x. 4 log a constant है, right? And a to the power 4x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? a to the power 4x into 4 into log a. So it is equal to 4 square log a whole square into a to the power 4x. Is that clear? Third, f3 of x is equal to d of f2 of x, and that is d of 4 square log a whole square a to the power 4x, and so it is 4 square log a whole square into a to the power 4x into 4 into log a, and that is equal to 4 cube log a whole cube into a to the power 4x. 4 cube log a whole square log a whole cube. And then 4, f4 of x is equal to d of f3 of x. Okay, so similarly, what you will get? D of 4 cube log a whole cube into a to the power 4x. So can you guess now here? As previous, that is 4 to the power 4 log a to the power 4 into a to the power 4x. Is that clear? Similarly, 5, f5 of x. So it is equal to d of f4 of x, that is d of f4 of x कितना है? 4 to the power 4 log a to the power 4 a to the power 4x. So that is equal to 4 to the power 4 log a to the power 4 बराबर है into a to the power 4x into 4 log a. So it is finally 4 to the power 5 log a to the power 5 a to the power 4x. This is the final answer. So did you understand here? So this is the correct method of finding the successive derivatives. So if you like this lecture, please like the video and subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have any doubt, please comment in a video lecture so that I can reply with the comment itself. Okay, thank you very much.